Hello everyone, how are you doing today? Okay, my name is Chukwusibuegu and I'm here to share with you how to sell your product online with a zero budget for website. Yes, how you can start selling your products online with a website that you pay nothing for. And I know you'll be asking and saying, is this going to be a real website or some kind of web, but not site? Just have a web, but the site is not there. Just kidding. But what I mean is that this is going to be a simple e-commerce site where you sell your products. You'll be able to take payment, you'll be able to collect your customers' name, phone numbers, email addresses for follow-up if you have other things to promote to them too. And the website is going to have options for payment. People can pay with their card, they can pay using USSD card, can also pay from the internet banking system. So it's not just a static page, it's a full website. Okay, and that is what I'm here to share with you. You'll be saying, okay, who are these for? Well, this is for people who probably you are selling some product. Maybe you are selling one of these processed food, and you don't just want to be putting things on the web and ask people to pay into your bank account and then you can follow up. No, you have an online store where you can share the URL. People can go there, buy things even when you are asleep. All right, and you can actually run an advert and send traffic to that page and be able to have them buy things on your store without you following up and having some chat with them and all that. So this is for you. Okay, it's also for you if you have you're selling courses, you're selling some soft training and all that, and you want people to pay for those things. And the coolest part of it is that you can actually sell to people in international markets. You can sell to those outside the country. Yes, you can sell to them, and it's so secure that you don't need to worry about the safety, the security of those who are using their card on the website. Okay, so without wasting much time, we're going to be going further on this. So now let's see, just like I said, is this real or one of those sweet talks just to get attention? No, this is real. This is real, and you're going to see it in just seconds. Okay, now let me just show you what you're going to be getting, what you're going to look like, and so you can also know exactly what we are doing. All right, so let me exit this page. This is my slide, and now go to okay, let me open this from here. Okay, now, like I said, it's going to be a very simple website. Okay, I just put this up, all right, this morning. I just put this up. I didn't do much here. I just went to a particular site that sells kitchen items. I picked those things here and then I add them here just for you to see what you're going to be, what you're likely going to be able to do after these after learning how to use this system to build a site. Meanwhile, this is being made available by Flutterwave.com. Okay, it's a known, reputable payment gateway provider. Now, they don't just provide you a means of payment; they provide real-time payment solutions. Okay, you can think about them as the home of payment system. Now, they have also made available for people, SMEs and small businesses, to be able to go online and have an online store where they sell things and they can receive payment easily. And the good thing is this: Once someone pays for an item, the money gets into your bank account with ease. All right, and when someone wants to pay, they can pay with any channel. You can pay with your card, USSD code, pay with internet banking, and you don't have to worry about all this. So now let me show you. This is typical e-commerce store. Okay, now yeah, I don't have much product. I just added this few. I can still add more if I want to, but I'm going to show you how to do that yourself. All right, so let's say I come to this store now and I want to buy this product. If I come here, I click here. Let's say I want to buy this knife. Click on it. Now this is what e-commerce is about. Okay, it shows you what I want. This is the knife I want to buy. I can have more pictures here that shows me what I want to pick. Okay, now this is the description, this is the title of the product, this is the amount, and this is where I can indicate the quantity that I want to buy. Okay, this description here, and I can as well have a link to my social media account where people can actually go and interact with my brand. Now let's say I've seen this item now and I want to buy it. I just say okay, one. Now immediately once I do that, automatically the cart is updated. You can see that here. Okay, now I want to buy additional one, so two, right? So you can see if I come to my cart and click here, it shows me that I want to buy this, right? So I click on continue. I put my picture here so it doesn't obstruct me. So you can see what I'm doing here. I can empty the cart. I can also reduce the quantity I want to buy. Let's say I decide to go with these two. I just click continue. Now it shows me where I can put my information. You know, one good thing about e-commerce is that when people come to your store and buy things, you are able to collect their information, so you can also reach out to them. Okay, so you can see add your information here. Let's say I'm buying things from Benue, for instance. You can pick the state. Here you pick some major cities in the Benue. Now here I actually added this myself. That means you can actually add delivery charges if you, depending on the area, the location where you are. So you can actually tell the cost of delivering to those places. I always say when you are doing a site like this, an e-commerce site, you don't need to start out by serving everybody. You can start from a particular location. That way you're able to know the cost of delivering to some places. You can gradually increase when you start working with different dispatch riders. Okay, depending on where you are. In Lagos, there are lots of dispatch riders. Well, even though right now, you know, there have been a little bit changes there because of the regulatory system they're bringing on board. But hey, there are still things you can do. Just explore. Don't just sit down and conclude that there is nothing you can do. Just explore. Now I did this. I can actually remove them, so I'll show you how to do that in a bit. So here you put your delivery address. That's for your customers right now. They put your delivery address, and if there are additional notes to add, like when the item can be delivered to them, they can add that here. Now you can see here the item cost is 1,000 then, and because I didn't pick this. If I pick this, you can see it will also update by itself. See, you have 1,000 for the item and then 1,500 for 2,500 for delivering to Lagos Island added here. So if I click on place your order, it's going to turn up this as the total cost. That's what the customer will pay at checkout. You see that here. So that is it. If I click place your order now, it's going to be asking me if the address is empty. I pick up an address, so place order. Great, it brought me here. So at this point, it's asking me to make payments. Now your customer have options. They can pay with their ATM card, credit card. They can pay with their bank. They can pay. This bank means they're going to have bank information, their account number to make payment. They're paying to Flutterwave, not to you. That's not to you directly. So when they do that, Flutterwave system will push your own cash to your account and take their own charges. Remember, the system is free. Flutterwave is only making money from the payment when payment is made. They're not asking you to pay for using their system or anything. They're only taking the payment
from you when the customer pays. So if you don't have any customer patronizing you, you pay nothing. So you can say, since I'm here, I have to pay rent. You're paying nothing. So, and you can choose to split. You can choose who pays their service. All right. So that is a good thing for you. They have options here how to pay. All right. They have options here how to pay. Now, so let's go back. So I don't have to make a payment. I just have to show you that this is what you can get. Now, like I was trying to explain to you, you can add as many products as you can. You can add as many products as you can. You just think of what to do. All right. And I always say something that you don't need to wait until you have your own products before you can start selling online. Now you have a website system you can use. You can also get the product to sell. How? Ask me. You can visit some of the top online stores, check them out, and see what items they have. Okay. Once you see some of these items that are selling very well, what else do? You go to you look at for some major markets in your cities. Let's say for instance Lagos Island, there are markets there where they sell anything. Okay, let me use kitchen items like this one. In Lagos Island, you have where they sell all these things at a good price. At a good price. So what do? You go there, see all those things, know they are repriced, get contact of the sellers themselves. Get their contact. So once you've done that, the next thing you go online, get the real pictures of this product from other places. Well, you can do that. Go there and get the pictures and use them on your site. Very importantly, write descriptions. Write descriptions. Most of these online stores in Nigeria don't write descriptions. You can check the ones in the foreign countries. Get the descriptions, rewrite them to suit what you're selling, and put them in your own site. Why do you have to write descriptions? That is what helps to rank your site on Google. Somebody will have to type something before your content comes out. So if you don't write the descriptions, they won't find you, except you. Okay, except you want to run ad, which is also fine, but you need to write descriptions so somebody can actually know what he's buying. I can't just see pictures and start buying. So get description for your product. Now I will show you how to do all that, how you can get descriptions and then write them yourself to suit what you're selling. Okay, so now when you have this here, this is a like if I click here now, let me show you what I mean by that. See, you see, this is I actually copied this from a particular website. You will see me do it again. I'll show you where I got this from. You see, which stuff mini 5 PC standard studio block. Well, I don't know what that means. I don't know. This space serving set from Woodsoft set of your kitchen with 4 essential knives. Each knife features laser cut, high carbon steel blade, and molded synthetic handles that are durable and comfortable to hold. Good. Housed in a hard wood block, the set covers all kinds of prepping tasks and including a 3 inches spare point pairing. Now, if you don't know how to write this, you can get people to help you write. There are lots of writers online, even here in Nigeria and outside, whom you can give the job to help you write these things, and for a few bucks. Okay, but if you can go online, find out write. Try and write yourself. Comprehension we did in school, so you can actually write all these things. So I had to say that to you. So now this is what I'm trying to say. You have those things here. You can have more pictures for every product you are selling, so your customers can have better view of what they are buying. All right. So that is that. Now, like I told you, in shopping cart here, you can always, this is if I pick one of those now, see, it's here. So I can go back to the store again to check what I to buy. So I want to buy a knife and I want to buy something else again. Now I want to buy this toaster. Click on it. Even if I don't want to view it very well, I can still check out from there. As I pick one of these, see, it's updating. I go back to my store again. Now remember, recall that I actually had to click before I checked out. Let's say I don't want to do that. I just want to check out from here. I click this. You can see Sorry. All right. So this is, I like the fact that it's easily navigated. You can actually navigate very well. Okay, you can actually navigate very well, and that's what customers want: ability to get what they want and pick it and check out immediately without so complex images everywhere. All right, so now you are not selling everything. You are not going to become another Jimmy or Conga. You just want to serve a particular audience. Maybe you want to sell these things to home moms at home who wants to get some kitchen accessories for themselves. You want to sell lingering for ladies. You want to sell top. You want to sell jeans. You want to sell anything. Just choose a niche and start selling, because you can see here you don't have room to start doing a whole lot of categories, but then you can always find a way around that. But you can just focus on one item. Okay, I can tell you this: you can have different shops. You can have up to 5 shops. I think so. You can have 5 shops in this place. So you don't have to sell shoe here and start selling granite here, start selling vegetables here. No, 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 no. You can choose each shop to handle each particular audience. Okay, you can do that. So that's what I'm trying to explain here to you. All right, so if I want to now check out, I'll just come to here and click on the cart. See, these are the 3 items I picked, and it has summed them up for me already. All right, now customers will feel that is paying because they are dealing with a brand. Flutterwave, they are not just a BB company. This is B2B, payment infrastructure company. So they are not dealing with one backyard plugin somewhere trying to help you connect to payment system. No, 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 no. This is a payment provider, solution provider. So your customer don't have issue to worry about. They have nothing to worry about. Okay, so now here, when I click on continue, it gives me room to put my information like your customer would do. So you fill out their details here. This is very good for you because you can use this to remarket them, offer them some other things. Okay, this is a good. I thought we should just go through the front end of this, and so we can see what you are going to have. Basically, this is what you need for any online store. All right. So, and another thing you have to do is make sure your pictures are very, very clear and neatly done. Don't just go and use one tacky phone and start snapping pictures in the market. It will be very, very ugly. Pictures sells what you're buying. All right, you can see these ones are very quite okay because I picked from a nice site. So make sure yours are also good, and the size are the same. Not some are very big, some are portrait, some are landscape. No, 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 no. Let the pictures be of the same dimension, the same size, and well taken, clear. Okay, if you need to Photoshop them, go ahead and do it. You are trying to promote your product. Okay, so that's your business you're building. So give it your best. All right. Now someone can search here. Let's say I want to search for this product here. You can see the searching is very, very fast, very, very effective. Responsibility you can see here. So don't fear about having multiple products. If they can find them, they can find them, right? So, and you can easily promote your site. You can use this link and promote it. Maybe to Google, you can do Google AdWords or Facebook ad or any of those Bing ad. You can promote your website and you make sales. All right. So that is that about this very video. I said let me show you this one, and the next video I'm going to be showing you the back end. Okay, how you put all this together. Right. Thank you for watching.